stress, anxiety, depression, relationship problems, and grief are just a few of the many issues that mental health professionals, including therapists, psychologists, and counselors, can assist people of all ages and backgrounds in managing. Therapists can also help people develop coping skills, manage their emotions, and achieve their personal goals. A number of factors might influence someone to seek professional assistance. Some of the most typical justifications include stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but it can become overwhelming when it is chronic or severe. Therapists can teach people how to manage stress in healthy ways, such as through relaxation techniques, exercise, and dietary modifications. Anxiety. Anxiety is a feeling of worry or unease that is frequently accompanied by physical symptoms like sweating, trembling, and shortness of breath. Therapists can assist people with anxiety in identifying and controlling their triggers, developing coping mechanisms, and reducing their symptoms. Depression. Depression is a mood disorder that can cause feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and worthlessness. Therapists can assist people with depression in changing their thought patterns, developing healthier coping mechanisms, and enhancing their overall mood. Relationship problems. Relationship problems can be a source of stress and anxiety for many people. Therapists can assist couples and families in learning to communicate more effectively, resolve conflicts, and build stronger relationships. Grief. Grief is the natural response to loss. Therapists can assist people who are grieving in processing their loss and developing healthy coping mechanisms. It's crucial to remember that therapy is not just for people who are struggling with mental health problems. Therapy can also be beneficial for people who simply want to improve their overall well-being and live a more fulfilling life. There are a few things you can do to find a therapist who is a good fit for you if you are thinking about seeking professional help. First, ask friends or family members who have seen therapists in the past for recommendations. You can also use the internet to look for therapists in your area who specialize in the problems you're having. You can schedule a free consultation with a few potential therapists. Once you've found them, to learn more about their strategy and determine if they're a good fit for you. For people of all ages and backgrounds, therapy can be a useful tool in helping them deal with a wide range of problems. If you are struggling with a mental health problem or simply want to improve your overall well-being, consider speaking with a therapist. In addition to the aforementioned reasons, there are several other situations in which seeking professional assistance might be beneficial. For instance, therapy can be beneficial for people who are going through a major life change, starting a new job, getting married, having a child, or retiring are just a few examples of significant life changes that can be stressful and difficult to handle. Therapists can assist people in adjusting to these changes and developing coping mechanisms. Dealing with a physical illness. Dealing with a physical illness can be both physically and emotionally draining. Therapists can assist people in coping with the stress of their illness, managing their pain, and improving their overall quality of life. Experiencing trauma. Trauma can result from a variety of events, such as accidents, natural disasters, or abuse. Therapists can assist people who have experienced trauma in processing their emotions, developing coping mechanisms, and healing from their wounds. Therapy can be a helpful tool for people of all ages and backgrounds, regardless of the reason they are seeking assistance. If you are struggling with a mental health problem or simply want to improve your overall well-being, consider speaking with a therapist.